6 things you should never tell a man. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an interesting topic to discuss. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you said something to a man and immediately realized it was a big mistake? Well, in today's video we will be discussing 6 things you should never tell a man. Whether you are in a relationship, talking to a friend, or even just having a casual conversation, these are the things you should be mindful of. So, let's get started. Number 1 on our list is criticizing his appearance. While it may seem harmless to comment on man's physical appearance, it can actually be quite hurtful. Men, just like women, have their own insecurities, and being overly critical can damage their self-esteem. Instead, focus on positive aspects and build them up with genuine compliments. Moving on to number 2, comparing him to other men. Every man is unique, and making comparisons can make him feel inadequate and unappreciated. Whether it is about looks, success, or any other aspect, avoid making such comparisons. Instead, celebrate his individuality and encourage his personal growth. Our next point, number 3, is questioning his masculinity. Men often face societal pressure to conform to traditional gender roles, and questioning their masculinity can be deeply hurtful. Avoid making comments or jokes that question their manhood or make them feel less masculine. Respect their choices and let them define what masculinity means to them. Number 4 on our list is bringing up past mistakes or failures. We all make mistakes, and constantly reminding a man of his past failures can be demoralizing. Instead, focus on the present and the future. Support his efforts to grow and learn from his experiences. Moving on to number 5, belittling his emotions. Men are often expected to be strong and stoic, but they have emotions just like anyone else. Invalidating or belittling their feelings can lead to emotional distancing and strain relationships. Encourage open communication and provide a safe space for them to express their emotions. Last but not least, number 6, making assumptions about his interest or abilities based on gender stereotypes. Every individual is unique, and assuming someone's preference or abilities based on stereotypes is unfair. Allow him to express his true interests and abilities without judgment on preconceived notions. And that wraps up our list of 6 things you should never tell a man. Remember, communication is key in any relationship or conversation, and being mindful of these points can help foster healthier interactions. Thank you for watching. I really love making those videos. If you have something to add, maybe you agree with something, maybe you don't, please leave a comment down below. And if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe.